What is a magazine? If you're looking for in-depth news reports or celebrity gossip, you can find it in the pages of a magazine. But what makes something a magazine? Magazines are just collections of stories, photos, and ads, stuffed between attention-grabbing front and back covers. Usually they come out once or twice a month, but some niche magazines will come out every quarter or something like that. There are two main types of content in magazines: commercial and editorial. Commercial content is stuff that tries to sell. Think ads or sponsored articles. Everything else pretty much falls under editorial content, especially if its goal is to educate or entertain readers. Do you know what content you want for your magazine? Then start adding it to a template from Envato Elements. These templates make creating a magazine a breeze. All you gotta do is add in your photos and written content. Layouts are already set, so you'll be ready to print or share online in no time. Just take a look at this stylish magazine template. It's got large photo placeholders and plenty of space for text. Try this ready-made magazine template. And if you have an Envato Elements subscription, don't forget to check out some of the awesome fonts and stock photos that are part of the full Envato Elements asset library. It's all included in your monthly subscription. Learning about a magazine is almost as easy as making one from a template. Did you find this video helpful? Then give us a like and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you want to take a look at the magazine template featured here, head to the description below. Until next time, see ya!